Hi, my name is Jason Fadley, Jasonfadely. I'm the Public Information Officer for Coos County, Oregon Sheriff's Office. I'm here today to encourage the public to create 72-hour kits to be better prepared for disaster. These are a small way for individuals and families to prepare themselves for unexpected evacuations and displacements. They are meant to be small and compact, so they can be easily stored in a car or closet and easily accessible in times of need. Our county will be hosting a kit building community day to show what a 72-hour kit should contain and why they are helpful in a disaster. Are there any questions?
What is a 72-hour kit?
A 72-hour kit is an emergency pack, usually in a backpack or duffel bag, that can easily be grabbed if you need to evacuate your home quickly and contains what you need to be able to survive for 72 hours.
Who should have a 72-hour kit?
Everybody should have a 72-hour kit in their home. In families where there are multiple, there should be a 72-hour kit for each member of the family.
In what circumstances would you use a 72-hour kit?
Well, for example, in the case of a tsunami warning where we have to evacuate members of the community, a 72-hour kit can supply necessary items such as food, clothing, and hygiene products to provide basic needs while waiting to be able to return home or find temporary shelter.
When and where is this event?
We will be holding this event at the Coos County Fire Department on January 31st from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. 72-hour kits can save lives and help our community be more prepared for disasters. I hope to see you there. Thank you.